visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So tingnan natin kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And I also want you to know that this reading is a timeless reading. So whenever you see this reading, the message is meant to find you. So, medyo naguguluhan tayo dito, no? The shadow, emotional loss, conflict, and defeat. So, kanino ba tayo walang tiwala? Sa sarili natin? Kay person? Pwedeng kay person dahil sa dami ng kanyang ginawa? Parang sa 10 ng kanyang pangako, 11 yung hindi natupad? Or pwedeng sabihin natin na wala rin tayong tiwala sa sarili natin dahil of all the decision makings na nangyari or ginawa natin with regard to this relationship, parang lahat sumablay. So parang sinasabi mo dito, ayoko na munang kumilos, no? Ayoko rin gumawa ng desisyon dahil baka mamaya sisihin ko na naman yung sarili ko. One thing's for sure, itong relationship na ito medyo lumalamlam. Itong relationship na ito, hindi na siya tulad ng dating masaya. In fact, nakakakita na tayo dito ng mga hindi magaganda. Yung mga part na sabihin natin kasi with the shadow, ito yung senyales na lumalabas na yung totoong kulay ni person, medyo off na para sa atin. So, conflict and defeat, medyo sinasabi mo dito sa sarili mo, naku, mali ang desisyon ko. Naku, bakit ko ibinigay agad ang aking oo? Ba't ako pumayag agad na magsama kami? Bakit naging ganito? Bla bla bla, yada yada. So, mahirap kasi parang kinakalaban mo na rin yung sarili mo. May mga pagkakataon dito. Alam mo na nababawasan, no? Ang emotion. Nababawasan yung love. Nababawasan dito yung paggalang, no? At yung expectations natin. Siguro ang taas ng expectations kasi gano'n naman talaga kapag nagliligawan pa lang kayo, no? Wala namang nagliligawan na hindi nagpasikat. Kahit naman ikaw, 'di ba? Nung nandun kayo sa stage ng getting to know each other, wala naman nagpakita ng kasama ng ugali, 'di ba? Lahat 'yan magaganda, lahat 'yan. So you're trying to impress your person, even you, no? Para mas lumalim, para mas maging mas magustuhan. With the shadow, nakikita kasi natin dito, parang your person is doing too much. Where, in fact, it's becoming a little toxic. So, natotoxican tayo. With the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles, parang gusto nating medyo sabihin nating mag-get out, umalis dito sa relationship, umalis sa sitwasyon na ito hanggat maaga kung kaya pa. We're actually looking for another options or another, sabihin natin ditong we're looking for a scapegoat. We're looking a way out, actually. Kasi parang feeling mo yung barko, lumulubog na, 'no? Yung barko ay, kung gusto niyang lumubog, siya na lang mag-isa. Anyway, this is life, 'no? Life is a matter of survival. Mahal ko siya pero hindi ko hahayaan na patay ko malubog sa kumunoy, kumbaga. So, with the Two of Pentacles, clarifying it with the Page of Swords and the Ten of Cups. Iniisip mo ngayon, ito bang nararamdaman ko love pa ba? Or ito bang nararamdaman ni person is love pa ba? You're reevaluating things right now with the Page of Wands, eh. Page of Pentacles, parang sinasabi mo dito, ano ang mas makakabuti para sa akin? Again, hindi ito pagiging makasarili. Tama lang na unahin ang sarili, no? Is mabuti sana kung reciprocative ang relationship. Pero yung ganitong situation, I feel like it's not worth the giving 100% of your emotion. With the Six of Cups and the Devil card, it felt like hindi ito ang taong para sa'yo. I don't know kung ikaw or yung person mo, you can switch the energies anyway. Someone here kind of needs to go back, no, to their exes. Whether you, parang ito yata ang ex mo ang taong para sa'yo, or your person would love to go back to their exes. I think like this is also somewhat intentional. Parang pinupundi ka, either para lumayo, no? With the Two of Swords and the Nine of Wands. Paano to? Paano yung situation na ipinaglalaban mo ang isang gera, pero yung parang yung feeling mong kakampi mo, kaaway mo pala. Yung parang feeling mo na kakampi mo, yung alay mo, no? Siya pala yung taong sisira, no, ng plan, sisira ng relationship. Paano tutulungan ng isang taong ayaw magpatulong? Paano mo isi-save ang isang relationship na gusto palang masira, no? Parang ikaw lang ang nagwo-work dito sa relationship na ito. The Magician, the Hermit, and the Four of Cups. I think that meron ditong realization na pwedeng ibinibigay sa ni universe, no, for you to open your eyes that your person do not want the connection anymore, or pwedeng do not want the connection at all, no. Yeah, it's unfair dahil we invested, no, we invested emotion, we invested probably money. Ang pinaka masakit dito yung time, we invested time. Money pwede yan kitain uli. Money, sisipagan mo lang ng a little extra, makukuha mo uli. Pero yung time, paano? No? Lalo na kung halos tumanda na ako dito sa relationship na to, or ganito lang mangyayari, or meron akong mga pinalagpas na opportunity, kaya mo bang ibalik yun sa akin? 'Di ba? So, with the Eight of Cups and the Eight of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, actually, parang nagbulag-bulagan tayo, no? So, I do not have any positive scripting for this. Nagbulag-bulagan tayo. I think that the universe would love for us to walk away and probably love the person from afar if we cannot stop loving the person, no? Pero one thing's for sure, ayaw kanya. So this, ang sakit, di ba? So someone needs to say that, and it can be me. Magalit ka na sa akin, but that is the energy and that is the truth in this story. So, This is your reading. Kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga katanungan or personal question, let me know. Or pwede kayong mag-send ng form, no? Again, that's personal question. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Gemini, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, Cancer is here, Libra is here, Taurus. Did I just mention Leo? So Leo is here, Capricorn is here, Virgo is here, Aries or Aries and Sagittarius is here. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.